If you're scrolling this video wondering why girls act like you're invisible, you're in the right place. By the end of this, you won't just be a guy, they'll notice you. We're about to turn you into the male version of Regina George. Minus the evil laughs, mean girls posse, and horrible haircut. Using psychology, neuroscience, and a sprinkle of science, we'll cover scarcity, first impressions, proximity, and yes, even luck. Grab your notebook and maybe some snacks. This is going to get deep. Lesson 1. The scarcity principle. Ever wonder why billionaires prefer a one-of-a-kind, slow, barely drivable car over a fast Ferrari? Scarcity. Psychologist Dr. Robert Cialdini discovered that humans value things more when they're rare. Nice guys don't fail because girls don't like them. They fail because they were too available. Jerks? They're limited edition. Here's the twist. You don't have to be a jerk to be scarce. You can be nice and rare, like a rare Pokémon card. Example, at a party, there's a girl surrounded by her swarm of simps. You think, no chance. Wrong. Walk up, say hi once, flash a friendly smile, and then walk away. Bonus. Talk to someone else afterward, preferably a friend. Bonus points if it's a girl. This small act screams, unlimited edition. Catch me or lose me forever. You're now 10x more attractive than any eager, desperate guy swarming her. Lesson 2. Gain-loss theory. Why hard-to-win people are hot. Ever noticed how winning someone over feels so satisfying? That's the gain-loss theory. A clever study tested this by having volunteers meet someone, then overhearing a description of them. Some were described positively, some negatively, some went from negative gives positive, and some from positive gives negative. Result: people liked the ones who initially didn't like them even more than those who liked them all along. If a girl initially doubts you, winning her over is more rewarding. But here is the catch: you must subtly show interest once you've won her over, or she misreads your signals. Pro tip: playfully tease, but don't overdo it. Tone, timing, and body language matter. Think, I might like you. Maybe, but then seal it with a clear sign of interest later. Lesson 3. Proximity. Be near, not creepy now. We're talking location, location, location. MIT researchers found that students living one dorm away had a 41% chance of becoming close friends. 4 doors away? Only 10%. Being scarce is important, but being physically and socially present is crucial. Tips for good proximity. Short, frequent interactions. 10 minutes a day, greater than 1 hour once a week. Shared spaces. Class, cafeteria, or club activities. Slight route adjustments. Same study spot, same coffee shop, but don't stalk. Remember, subtlety is key. Crossing the creepy line is an instant friend zone plus. Lesson 4. The Ben Franklin effect. Let her help you. Ben Franklin's secret? Ask for favors. Research in 1971 showed people tend to like someone more if they help them, even with tiny tasks. Humans justify their actions. I help them. I must like them. Practical hacks. Drop a pencil near her and let her pick it up. Ask for advice on something small. Request help with a harmless task. Think teamwork, not homework sabotage. Every tiny favor builds subtle psychological attraction. You're turning her kindness into her liking you. Scientifically. Lesson 5. The Discord mod effect. Looks matter before you get cocky. Remember, looks still matter, but it's not genetics, it's presentation. The 1997 study by Morian and Bloom concluded the most attractive traits are good posture, grooming, clothes that fit, positive attitude, healthy weight. Even a golden personality can't save someone who looks like a sad Discord mod. Small improvements, exercise, showering, straightening your back, make a huge subconscious difference. Lesson 6. Luck and genetics. The science you can't control attraction isn't just psychology. Pheromones and genetic compatibility play a role. Women can subconsciously detect MHC molecules, which helps them pick genetically complementary partners. Basically, if your molecules don't mix with hers, she might never feel that spark no matter how charming you are. Don't panic. Your behavior, humor, and effort still weigh heavily. Genetics just decides the initial click. Lesson 7. The first kiss. Chemistry overload. The first kiss is a chemical and tactile information exchange. Bad kiss? Instant meh. Good kiss? Heart racing, pupils dilating, adrenaline skyrocketing, nervous system lights up. Fight or flight system triggers, energy surges. Science says this one moment can make or break attraction. Practice. Pay attention to timing and smell taste matters. Brush your teeth, okay? Lesson 8. Humor and personality. Make her laugh, win her brain. Attraction isn't just biology, it's fun. Humor releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical. Make her laugh, but don't try too hard. A well-timed witty comment goes farther than hours of smooth talking. Storytelling is your secret weapon. Self-deprecating humor signals confidence. Avoid cringe. Stay playful. Lesson 9. Build emotional connection. Small steps. Big impact. Beyond looks and proximity, emotional investment matters. Listen actively. Repeat her points back lightly to show attention. Remember small details. Her favorite coffee, her pet's name, her weird hobby. Share small vulnerabilities. Being slightly human makes you approachable and attractive. Think of it like compounding interest. Tiny investments of attention and care grow massive returns in attraction. Lesson 10. Final recap. The science of irresistibility. Scarcity. Be rare, not desperate. Gain loss. Winning over feels better than instant liking. Proximity. Frequent, subtle presence greater than one grand gesture. Ben Franklin effect. Let her help you. Discord mod effect. Grooming and posture matter. Luck and genetics. Pheromones and compatibility are wildcards. First kiss, make it count. Humor, dopamine is your friend. Emotional connection. Small gestures build lasting attraction. Do all this, and the next time you walk into a room, people will notice you for all the right reasons. You'll radiate confidence, mystery, and charm, like a limited edition, rare Pokémon that talks and makes jokes. Closing hook, call to action. If you made it this far, congratulations. You just leveled up in psychological seduction science. Smash that like. Subscribe for more hacks. Comment your worst first date story. We'll laugh, we'll cry, and you'll learn. Go forth, limited edition hero, and may your pheromones be ever in your favor.